The SlumberPod is a quick assembly privacy pod that helps babies and toddlers get a restful sleep. It's dark inside, creating an optimal sleeping environment, and is built with safety in mind by passing consumer product safety tests. It has a bottomless design to enclose travel cribs, mini cribs, and select toddler cots. It's quick and easy to set up and disassemble and is made of a unique fabric that is both breathable but also light blocking. The SlumberPod is outfitted with ventilation windows and pockets for a baby monitor, fan, or sound machine. The original fan pouch at the bottom can be used for a sound machine or fan. The updated monitor pocket has a new zipper-free design based on customer feedback to make it easier to position monitors once placed in the pocket. And a new fan pocket has been added to the top of the canopy to allow for direct airflow on little ones while they sleep. With SlumberPod, you can experience less stress and more rest at home or on the go. Here's to more nighty nights.